back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. The last time I actually uploaded I actually uploaded a video. Some guy said that, hey, you are just trying to you are actually taking so much risk. You're actually taking so much risk. I was just smiling and smiling and smiling because it's true. It's true that those particular trades, they were actually kind of like risky, but in a way trading boom and crash isn't really risky. Good. Now you can see what just happened. A crash just happened. It was, I timed this and started the video so people don't think I'm just saying. Okay, now just look at something. Just look at something. Okay, now this particular stuff now, this particular setup is not a risk anymore. Can't you see? This is not a risk anymore. Look. Let me show you 15 minutes. Then let me go to 30 minutes and show you something. And let me go to 1 hour. Now you can see the stuff. This is actually not a risk anymore. Okay. Now I'm actually having 226 here. Now let me just show you something. I can just come here and just take on let's say let's just take on 7. Let's take on 7. I'm going to take a buy. Then I'm going to take another buy on the 7 again. Another buy on this. Okay, I don't have enough for that. Let me try taking 5 then. Okay, sorry, I don't have enough for that. Okay, let me try 4. Okay, let me try 3. Okay, 2. Okay, now two went in. Now I'm actually having a free margin of just 15. Just 15 USD. You can imagine that. It's crazy. Now people think that I'm actually scared of it. No, there's no fear here. See, in fact, I'm gonna hold this trade as I speak. You are just gonna see it. So people don't think that, hey, this guy is just trying his luck. No, I'm actually using the entire account to do this. I know what I'm saying. I'm not just using the 1 minute time frame like others. You can see I don't have 1,000 indicators here. People will be like, hey, add this, add that, add that, add that, add this, add that. Your screen will be filled up. You can't see the chart anymore. Because of indicators, you don't need those things. The secret is actually in the chart. Raw charts like this is actually here. All I'm using are my fractals. These are my fractals. All I'm using are my fractals. You can see them. These are my fractals. This is all I'm using. I actually started it. I calculated everything. Then I started it at the exact time. So immediately as this stuff crashed, I already knew when to enter. Now I know it won't crash now again. I've already analyzed it using my 15 minutes. I've already analyzed it using my 5. And using my 1 also, my 1 hour. So I actually know what's going to happen here. So I'm not even scared. Let's look at it. You can see I'm having 13 here already and 12. I'm having 17 total. Now I'm not even scared. See, I can teach you guys this thing completely for free. See, you know what? Deriv actually suffered me. I actually suffered a lot from the hands of Deriv when I started trading, when I actually began. So I'm trying to make them pay back now. That's what I'm doing. I want to teach people for free while others will charge. I just want you to make so much from Deriv so that they just feel the heat, because I'm doing this because I'm not so happy with what they did to me when I was actually starting up. I lost so much. So guys, all I just want you to do is to just subscribe and just join my Telegram channel. I've already posted the date of the seminar. I'll be organizing a seminar for this to teach you guys this. You can see it's the movie. I'll be organizing a seminar to teach you guys how this stuff works. I'll be organizing a seminar to teach you guys how this stuff works completely for free. All you just need to do is to just subscribe and join my Telegram group. I've already posted the date in my Telegram group where when the seminar will be coming up. So it will be coming up on Monday at 20 p.m. At 20 p.m. GMT plus 3. So it will actually be going on. So you just need to just subscribe and join my Telegram group. and everything will be perfect just like that. So I'm just laughing because there is actually nothing here. Can you see? There's nothing here. I'm not scared. I did this stuff again because some people think I'm just doing trial and error. No, this is no trial and error. I know exactly what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing. I know exactly when to go in. I know exactly when to go out. So guys, I guess we can just end here now. I don't want this video to be so long. So later guys, peace.